family's diary from when she was 3. Set it off. The dog bites my bottom, nibbles on my fingers,
Max is watching TV.
and grabs onto my leg. Do they like the dog better than me?
Let me zoom
One
in.
day, those questions might be answered while Emily relaxes on a psychologist's couch. Meet the fur ball. Sugar.
Very intense on the Animal Planet on Saturday mornings.
Vivaldi and Brahms, their persistent daughters. And Kenny, a troublemaker always causing trouble. Welcome to Ferret Funhouse. Brahms loves pulling her sister Vivaldi in their wagon. As sisters, they can be both dominant and submissive and not worry about their social station in the funhouse. But for Sugar and A-Rod, it's all serious business. They look like they're playing with a tube, but this is serious ferret stuff. As dominant female, Sugar is showing that she has a defense strategy for the ferrets to escape the funhouse if need be. And as partner of the dominant female, A-Rod is saying, yes, dear, whatever you say, dear. No, that tube doesn't make your tail look fat. In the wild, ferrets communicate with body language and chatter. In Ferret Funhouse, they are attempting to communicate with refrigerator magnets. It would be a concern that this ferret doesn't know how to spell, but it's okay because the rest of the ferrets don't know how to read. So really, what's the harm? On the next Ferret Funhouse, an all-you-can-eat feast has Vivaldi and Brahms thinking rice is twice as nice at any price. Next time on Ferret Funhouse.
Let's see from the front how intense his face is when he watches this show.
Temperatures, downdrafts, wind shears, tropical depressions. Oh, my uncle's a meteorologist. There's some animals experiencing their own highs and lows.
Strap high, execute low. You see, while the goat is getting us to focus our attention high, the dogs are looping the leash around the chair leg low. So while everyone is looking high, the action takes place on the low. Sheer crank perfection. To get really high, you need to start really low. It's all in the crouch, people. Boing! Those legs are like springs. It's this one free-flying feeling. True hikes are only reached by those unafraid to take a different path. Going through the outdoors, up the down escalator, take that path less traveled by going up this block, because in the end, that is what will make all the difference.
Now the sleeves, nor shedding.